My name is Kevin Bean. I'm president of AlliedBean Demolition. Today we are here with the resulting factor of bringing down a 10-story hotel here in beautiful Miami Beach when the ocean is literally 100 yards to our east here. As you can see, we have some large equipment here. We have a Kobelco SK500 with traditional demolition tools. Originally, this project started with a 100,000 square foot hotel that was connected to the hotel to my left. We spent 2 months separating floor by floor with mini equipment and then craning down floor by floor. Once we had the remaining rectangular structure, 10 stories, we in essence imploded it. So now we're doing the cleanup, separation of the materials and removal of the concrete back to the slab. This is a project that has taken 12 weeks and it's one of many projects that we currently have ongoing at the moment. My name is Kevin Bean. I'm the president of AlliedBean Demolition, based here in Fort Lauderdale, Broward County, Florida. Today we are dismantling the third of 10 disused storage tanks here in Port Everglades. These tanks are making way for an area where the state and Broward County will be dredging part of the port here, and this is where they'll be putting all the material. Each storage tank used to hold 1 million plus gallons of molasses, and today they've been just lying abandoned for the last 7 years. So now we are commissioned to take these down. We're using a Kobelco SK260 excavator with a LaBounty 2250R. That is the new shear brought into the LaBounty line, which enables the user to have a more powerful attachment on a smaller machine. We had that machine available, and then the specifications from LaBounty allowed us to bring in the 2250R to pierce through the plate that goes from 3/16 all the way down to 1.15 inches thick on the bottom ring. The method of how we're dismantling these tanks, we do strategic cuts with a torch around the tank, and then we do a piercing with the shear, and that allows us to start pulling the side of the tank away and then allowing us to capsize the roof into itself. Once the roof has been brought in down onto the ground, we then start processing the roof by rolling the material and then preparing it to #1 for export. Each tank weighs 400 net tons of steel plate, and we're shipping that out on 18 100-yard trucks each week. The 2250R shear has done a very good job considering the capacity of the excavator. It certainly does pierce to its specification, and we're processing 1 tank a week. So we will be here for a 10-week duration, and so far we've commenced operation on tank #4.